langsung aja loh. Tes. Sebelum mulai ada baiknya kita absen terlebih dahulu. Sebut Sulistri Tiarawati.
Hadir.
Ananda Kunanti.
Present.
Ayu Miranda.
Present.
Depri Roswanto.
Present.
Diki Aditya Pratama.
Present.
Dimas Aura Putra.
Present.
Epin Georgian.
Present.
Geska Ramanda. Geska Ramanda.
Tadi.
Habib Zulkarnain.
Hadir.
Indra Pratama.
Present.
Kartika Magdalena.
Present.
Maulana Nur Ibrahim.
Hadir.
Muhammad Abdillah Azano.
Present.
Muhammad Al-Fikram.
Present.
Muhammad Haritsa. Muhammad Iqbal.
Present.
Noval Anggara.
Present.
Reski Imanda.
Present.
Rosida.
Present.
Sepina.
Present.
Sylvia Syafira.
Present.
Stepi Pratiwi Andi Pacoba.
Present.
Syahrul Leswan Alam.
Present.
Tiara Yasmin.
Hadir dikit cuma orang teman di WC.
Yuni Setialoka.
Present.
Baiklah, kami akan memulai presentasi. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning, everyone. We are from Group 10. We are proudly present the materials for our study under the title Case Study. We are hoping that you can follow our presentation for our discussion session later. What is meant by case study? A case study is an in-depth study of one person, group, or event. In a case study, nearly every aspect of the subject's life and history is analyzed to seek patterns and cause of behavior. Case studies can be used in many different fields, including psychology, medicine, education, anthropology, political science, and social work. Di sini apa arti dari case study? Studi kasus. Studi kasus adalah studi mendalam tentang satu orang, kelompok, atau peristiwa. Dalam studi kasus, hampir setiap aspek kehidupan dan sejarah subjek dianalisis untuk mencari pola dan penyebab perilaku. Studi kasus dapat digunakan di berbagai bidang, termasuk psikologi, kedokteran, pendidikan, antropologi, ilmu politik, dan pekerjaan sosial. Using case study. A case study attempts to show exactly what happened in particular situation. For example, if you are discussing methods of fighting malaria in rural area, a case study might follow the real-life efforts of a medical team in a specific district of Indonesia over a period of months. What are the advantages of including case study? Is there a disadvantage? Di sini ini ada sebuah studi kasus mencoba untuk menunjukkan dengan tepat apa yang terjadi dalam situasi tersebut. Misalnya, jika Anda mendiskusikan metode memerangi malaria di daerah pedesaan, studi kasus dapat mengikuti upaya nyata tim medis di kabupaten tertentu di Indonesia selama beberapa bulan. Di sini match the topics the left with the case studies on the right. Topik yang pertama ada method of teaching dyslexic children. Kedua ada improving crop yields in semi-desert. Yang ketiga ada reducing infant mortality. Keempat building earthquake resistant bridge. 5 dealing with reoffending among prisoners. Keenam improving recycling rates in large cities. Case study. A program to cut some smoking among pregnant women in a Greek clinic. Working and learning how a Brazilian sim encouraged convict to stay out of jail. The Berlin experiments increasing public participation in collecting and sorting waste. Using solar power to operate irrigation pumps in Ethiopia. The lessons from Chile for tree structure withstood the 2010 quake, an experimental approach to reading difficulties with under X in Singapore. Jadi di sini cocokkan topik di sebelah kiri dengan studi kasus di sebelah kanan. Jadi untuk topik yang pertama ada method of teaching dyslexic children itu cocok dengan studi kasus di nomor 6. An experimental approach to reading difficulties with under X in Singapore. Jadi metode mengajar anak disleksia itu cocok dengan case study di pendekatan eksperimental untuk mengatasi kesulitan membaca pada anak usia di bawah 8 tahun di Singapura. Dan topik kedua itu cocok dengan nomor 4, yaitu using solar power to operate irrigation pumps in Ethiopia. Jadi meningkatkan hasil panen di musim semi tersebut cocok dengan case studi kasus di menggunakan tenaga surya untuk mengoperasikan pompa irigasi di Ethiopia. Dan topik yang ketiga itu ada reduction infant mortality atau mengurangi angka kematian bayi, itu cocok dengan studi kasus di pertama, yaitu sebuah program untuk mengurangi kebiasaan merokok di kalangan ibu hamil di sebuah klinik di Yunani. Dan untuk topik yang keempat, membangun jembatan tahan gempa, itu cocok dengan studi kasus nomor 5, yaitu pelajaran dari Chili tentang bagaimana 3 bangunan bertahan dari gempa tahun 2010. Dan yang nomor 5, topik nomor 5, menangani pengulangan tindak pidana di antara para narapidana. Itu cocok dengan nomor 2, bekerja dan belajar bagaimana skema Brazil mendorong narapidana untuk tetap berada di luar penjara. Dan untuk yang nomor 6, meningkatkan tingkat daur ulang di kota-kota besar. Studi kasusnya ada di nomor 3, eksperimen di Berlin meningkatkan partisipasi masyarakat dalam mengumpulkan dan memilah sampah. Di sini ada maksud dari sini bukan medical tapi modul case study, model case study. Di sini ada topik adapting international brands to local markets. Case study the experience of IKEA in China. Introduction. The Chinese economy has expanded at an annual rate of over 8% for the past 30 years. Parallel to this, the Chinese furniture industry has grown vigorously, with annual sales recently rising by over 25% a year. Legislation to private home ownership and rapidly rising income levels have created unprecedented growth in the home improvement market. According to estimates from the Credit Suisse Group, China will be the world's second largest furniture market by 2014. This demand has both domestic production and also from international furniture manufacturers to enter this lucrative market. IKEA, a Swedish furniture company, was one of the international companies to move into China. It is a major furniture retailer operating in over 14 countries around the world and has annual sales of over 2 billion euro atau IKEA website. It entered the Chinese market with the first store in Beijing and sees great potential in the country, having already expanded to 10 stores and 5 distribution centers. Despite this successful growth, IKEA has found itself facing a number of challenges in terms of local difference in culture and business practice. Silakan Rosida selanjutnya.
Marketing IKEA in China. Marketing management needs to be larger, tailored to local context. IKEA has kept this nothing in mind when designing marketing strategies and trying to appeal to local customers while maintaining profitability. The company attempts to find the best possible compromise between standardization and adaptation to the local market. Its product policy pay careful attention to Chinese style and integrates the set of product attributes effectively. Armstrong and Kotler 1006. The store layout reflect the floor plan of many Chinese apartment, and since many of these have balconies, the strong stores include a balcony section. In contrast with traditional Chinese furniture, with its dark with most carving, IKEA introduce a light lighter, and simpler still. However, efforts have been made to adapt its product to Chinese taste. For instance, it has released a series of products just before as Chinese New Year in 1009. Six
Egg.
1008. The Year of the Rat. The series Fabler was designed using the color red, which is associated with good luck. Next. Changes were also made to some product ranges. In Sweden, people are used to sleeping in single bed or to putting two single bed together to form a double bed. However, this idea was to very well received by Chinese couples due to the fact that sleeping in separate bed symbolizes a poor relationship and is believed to bring bad luck. In addition, Chinese brand names so have positive connotation. In Chinese name of IKEA, Yijia means comfortable home, which gives the company a useful advantage in the marketing. An important feature of a retailer in the service if offers the Shanghai store of instance has a children's playground and a larger restaurant, which make it distinctive. However, Chinese consumers expect free delivery and installation, and although IKEA has reduced its charge for this, it still compares unfavorable with its competitor. Price with when the company first entered China, its target marketing was coupled with income of five egg. Performance following steady price reduction, this has now been lowered to families with just over 3,000 RMB. Various strategies have been adopted to achieve this reduction. The most effective being to source locally. 70% of its products sold in China are now made in the country. Song 2005. Furthermore, IKEA replaced its annual catalog with thinner because brochures with no appeared 50 years. This not only cut printing costs, but also give greater flexibility to educate. Accessibility is also an important issue for the Chinese market. In most countries, IKEA stores are sited near main road, but as also 10,000 20% of legally customer own cars in China. Easy access to public transport is vital. Merely 2004, advertising plays an important role in the total promotional mix. IKEA using advertising effectively with advert into local newspaper to keep consumers informed of special offers. All TV commercial are products locally with Chinese characters. Public relation is also vital to building a good corporate image in China. IKEA cooperates with the Worldwide Fund for Nature of Forest project. The company insists on using environmentally friendly and accessible on forest project. The company insists on using environmentally friendly and recyclable material for the backing of the product as part of their effort to build a good corporate image. Next, discussion and conclusion. IKEA's product quality in China has been to successfully standardize product as much as possible, but also customize as much as needed. But it has learned the service is also vital. Free delivery in intact installation are the preferred tool in the local market with intent to follow. It has further found that it is better to local in a downtown area, easily accessible with public transport. When free delivery is not provided in international companies that operate in China, such as IKEA, more complete marketing decision that local companies they must become culture conscious and thoroughly research local requirement rather than simple introduce a standard model of business. Next.
Baiklah. Do you have any question?
No question, bro.
Sagit. Tiara Yasmin hadir.
Baiklah, untuk absen satu kali lagi. Untuk Rizka Ramanda ada nggak? Baiklah, akan saya absen ulang. Sulistri Tiarawati,
Present.
Ananda Kunanti,
Present.
Ayu Miranda,
Present.
Devri Roswanto,
Present.
Diki Aditya Pratama,
Present.
Dimas Aura Putra,
Present.
Evin Georgian,
Present.
Jessica Ramanda, Habib Zulkarnain,
Hadir.
Indra Pratama,
Present.
Kartika Magdalena,
Hadir.
Maulana Nur Ibrahim,
Hadir.
Muhammad Abdillah Azano,
Hadir.
Muhammad Alfikram,
Present.
Muhammad Haritsah,
Present.
Muhammad Iqbal,
Present.
Noval Anggara,
Present.
Reski Imanda,
Present.
Sepina,
Present.
Sylvia Syafira,
Present.
Stepi Pratiwi,
Present.
Syahrul,
Present.
Tiara Yasmin,
Present.
Yunis Tialoka,
Present. Present, Git.
Oh. Ya, baiklah, kami akan menutup presentasi pada hari ini. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.